Hi guys and welcome to Crushit. Today we have something sent in all the way from Canada. So as it says here, these are the most realistic spine disc models in the world. So essentially it's a model of a section of your spine and it basically shows all the vital parts of it. When you jump up and down and stuff, you can show its compression there and all the vital things that go into the spine. So thank you very much to Dynamic Disc Designs for sending this in. Let's try and find out what happens if you put 100 tons of force onto your spine. I don't want to test it on myself, so let's just crush it. Ouch. Just imagine if that was your spine. Main bone absolutely crushed. That is what would happen to your spine under 100 tons. And that bit there, that is super sticky. I don't know what that is, I'm no scientist, but that was pretty cool. When it was crushing, it kind of oozed out. So basically the moral of the story is don't crush yourself with a 100-ton hydraulic press. Thank you very much for watching and remember to just crush it. Little bonus video was sent in a TARDIS by someone that doesn't want to be named, so that's fine. He wanted it crushed, let's crush it and just take it out of the box. Now we have a TARDIS.
Stop moving here, get me out of it, what are you doing? Oi! I'm just chilling here playing on my Xbox and suddenly, there's an earthquake. Why are you touching my TARDIS for? If I see you touching my TARDIS one more time, these can do quite a lot of damage, yeah? You better watch yourself, little man. Let's see what you got. Come on. No? Ah, she's scared. That's what I thought. Get a real job. Alright, I'm going back and playing Xbox, yeah? Get a real job. I'm off. Don't touch my crib.